In the complex world of IT systems and business goals, we all need a guiding star. We need a framework to align our vision and make sure everyone's moving in the same direction. That's where enterprise architecture frameworks come in. They're the compass and the map for organizations striving for efficiency and growth in the digital age. We're diving deep into the world of enterprise architecture frameworks, comparing the strengths and weaknesses, and ultimately helping you understand why TOGAF stands out as a leader in the field. Let's begin. Before we can dive into the specifics of TOGAF and why it's so effective, we need to understand the bigger picture. Think of an enterprise architecture framework as a blueprint. It provides a structured approach to aligning your IT systems with your overall business goals. Each framework comes with its own strengths and areas of focus, but there's a reason why TOGAF consistently ranks among the most widely adopted frameworks worldwide. What makes TOGAF so effective? It all comes down to two key strengths: flexibility and a well-defined process. First, TOGAF is incredibly flexible. It offers a framework that can be tailored to fit the unique needs of your organization. Second, TOGAF is built around the architecture development method, or ADM. This is a step-by-step roadmap for planning, building, and managing your enterprise architecture. TOGAF versus the other frameworks, a head-to-head comparison. Let's compare TOGAF to some other popular frameworks to see how it stacks up. We'll start with the Zachman framework. Zachman is great for defining enterprise architecture through a matrix-like taxonomy. However, unlike TOGAF, Zachman doesn't offer a clear implementation process. It's like having a detailed map of a city without any directions on how to get around. Next, let's look at FAF, the Federal Enterprise Architecture Framework. As the name suggests, FAF is primarily used by US federal agencies. Why TOGAF? Making the case for your organization. So why choose TOGAF? It comes down to balance. TOGAF strikes a powerful balance between flexibility, practical guidance, and professional development. Whether you're in government, a large corporation, or a fast-growing tech startup, TOGAF equips you with the tools to navigate the complexities of enterprise architecture. It's about aligning your IT systems with your business goals, breaking down silos, and creating a more efficient and agile organization. With its robust certification path, you'll join a global network of professionals who are passionate about using TOGAF to drive positive change in their organizations. Unlock your potential, get certified with TOGAF. Are you ready to take the next step in your enterprise architecture journey? My exclusive TOGAF Level 1 and Level 2 courses will guide you every step of the way. I'll share my years of experience, provide real-world examples, and equip you with the knowledge and confidence to master TOGAF. Click the Join button now or check the description below to unlock full access to my TOGAF courses. Let's embark on this journey together. Building your future, one framework at a time. Remember, choosing the right enterprise architecture framework is crucial for success in today's digital landscape. TOGAF offers a powerful blend of flexibility, practical guidance, and a supportive community to help you navigate the complexities of aligning IT with business goals. Join our community of learners and let's build a more efficient and aligned future together. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe for more insights into enterprise architecture and TOGAF.